close everything out. So our YouTube series, hopefully we've explained the first coat and made it as simple and exciting as we possibly could. You know, it's a trade. If you learn it, it's a great trade. If you do it once in a while, it's good to know. It's good to have. I've been talking about doing a YouTube series for a very, very long time. My goal is to really I want to help as many people as I can, get it out there, the right techniques, the right ways to do it. Look, there's many, many ways to skin a cat. I'm sure there's going to be some folks out there who are going to be like, hey, you could do it this way. You could do it that way. You could do it this way. Yes, you can. Can you get away with 2 coats? Yes, you can. You know, this is what works for me. I've done the trial and error. I've made the mistakes, major mistakes, minor mistakes. This is what has worked for me. I've been doing this for 30 plus years. I still do it. I'm still out there in the field every day. I still work every day. I like what I do. I get to meet great people. I get to go in and help people. I get to go in and fix people's homes. And my goal with this YouTube series is to help you fix your home and to do it with confidence and be successful and not be afraid to do it, to attempt something new. It's not that hard once you know why. And that's important. I know it seems repetitious and I keep saying the same things again and over, but I always told the students and the people that came and worked for me, if you know why, that's going to make you a better mechanic or taper, right? Don't just learn how to do it, because I can teach the repetition over and over and over and over again. And yeah, you can do it, but you'll never know why. And I think you got to know why. Why are you doing things? Why do we add water? You know, why are we using heavy compound? Why are we using loose compound? Why do we hold our hand this way? These are the reasons why. Why do we use knives that are 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch? You know, there's a method to the madness. And for me to explain that to you, that's my job. That's my goal. I want to make it as simple as I can for you, give you the best chance of being successful in your home improvement project. And, you know, moving forward, look for us. We're going to continue with the same set. We're going to do the second coat and we're going to follow it up with a third coat. We're going to have a series that's going to go on. We're going to show you how to fix holes in the walls very efficiently, very quick. We're going to go into different materials, the hard coats, the different compounds, a little bit more. We'll go into maybe a little bit of plaster patching. We're going to do some angles. We're going to do some skim coating. There's going to be a lot of things that we're going to encompass into this. Get it all in there so you can have a better grasp and be able to go back and pick and choose the videos that help you in the process while you're in the process. Maybe you're doing a seam or a cross butt in your home and you're having a tough time with it. Hey, let me go back to this video. This guy explained it pretty good. That's my job. That's what I want to do. My name is Kenny. Drywall with Kenny. We look forward to seeing you soon.